doing stuff. I thought you just need my help for a video. No, NPM, come on. I'm filming a drug scene. I thought we were filming a PKMV. Oh, I'll give you a PKMV.
Hello, boys. This sure is a dark night. Follow me upstairs for a night of fun.
Tap that.
Oh, Jakey. Up the ass harder, please. Oh my god. Come some more.
Woo! 50p!
Follow me upstairs for some kinky bed action where I tie you up and graze all over.
Follow me upstairs so I can hop on your disco stick and ride you all night long.